Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into QQQ. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 10th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 10th day of March, 2025, our system has ranked the QQQ as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.89. Now let's examine the exchange-traded fund's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the coming days. The exchange-traded fund has broken the downward trend observed in the short term. Initially, a stronger rate of decline is indicated, but there may be instances of false breaks and sell-offs. Nevertheless, a further decrease seems plausible, and any movements back to the breaking point, which is $494.79, are viewed as a second opportunity to exit. According to the fan theory, $453.68 could serve as the new bottom line for the next trend, but it is still too early to make a definitive statement on that. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decline of 2.92% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 1.61% to 10.5%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 20.52%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 21.52% to 39.98% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $574.46 and $661.74. Our latest daily update for QQQ includes the headline, QQQ ETF downgraded to sell candidate. The QQQ ETF price decreased by 3.88% on the last day, which was Monday, the 10th of March, 2025, dropping from $491.79 to $472.73. During the last trading day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 3.27%, with a day low at $468.66 and a day high of $483.97. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days, resulting in an overall decrease of 9.07% during this period. Volume increased on the last day by 21 million shares, albeit alongside falling prices. This could serve as an early warning, indicating a slightly heightened risk over the next couple of days. In total, 75 million shares changed hands, amounting to approximately $35.5 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $540.80, while the lowest price was $413.07. Currently, the price stands 12.59%, or $68.07, below the 52-week high of $540.80, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. The stock market is currently facing significant pressure, with both the S&P 500 and NASDAQ hitting critical support levels. As of today, the market has officially turned negative for the year, raising concerns among investors. The Invesco QQQ ETF, which tracks the NASDAQ 100, has experienced a sharp decline, dropping nearly 10% from its peak, and has now fallen below the crucial 200-day moving average. Such movements can signal investor uncertainty and might prompt further selling, especially in the short term. However, amid this turbulence, some analysts suggest that market corrections provide opportunities, highlighting potential bargain stocks within the QQQ. A recent wave of buying the dip has been reported, fueled by expectations that the current market pullback, driven partly by tariff concerns, may be overblown and short-lived. Looking ahead, the economic outlook indicates potential contraction in the first quarter, which could weigh heavily on growth stocks. Despite these challenges, the ongoing advancements in sectors like artificial intelligence could play a pivotal role in the long-term recovery of ETFs such as QQQ, appealing to investors seeking exposure to high growth potential. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 26th of February, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark assigned QQQ a negative rating alongside a hold action. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The QQQ ETF is displaying sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, which suggests a more negative forecast for the ETF. Additionally, the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average, indicating a general sell signal. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at the levels of 493 and 1200ths and 519 and 1200ths. A breakout above either of these thresholds will generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Wednesday, February 19th, 2025, with a decline of 12.38% noted since then. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is an active sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume increased as prices fell yesterday, which could serve as an early warning, suggesting that the ETF should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 14 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 13 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 12 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 9 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 13 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 9 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume beneath today's level. Under the right conditions, this exchange-traded fund may experience significant declines in the coming days. Typically, this ETF exhibits average daily price movements, and with substantial trading volume, the risk is classified as medium. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated by $15.31 between its highest and lowest points, which corresponds to a change of 3.27%. In the past week, the ETF has experienced an average daily volatility of 2.85%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for QQ, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A relatively low PE ratio could signal a low expectation for the future of the company or that the exchange-traded fund is undervalued, indicating a potential buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ stands at $495.55. If you do not currently own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the ETF, this may be an opportunity to think about swing trading. There is no substantial support from accumulated volume below this level, indicating that the ETF could potentially experience a sharp decline under certain conditions. It is important to proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader familiar with navigating such situations. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and a stop loss has not been established. Is the QQQ ETF a good investment? The QQQ ETF shows several negative indicators and is currently experiencing a downward trend, leading us to believe it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we have adopted a negative stance on this ETF. Due to some minor weaknesses identified in the technical analysis, we have revised our evaluation from a hold or accumulate position to a sell recommendation. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 11th of March, we anticipate that the QQQ will open higher by $2.39, starting at $475.12. We want to emphasize that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding buying or selling securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.